Welcome back to Andrea Jane Cleaning. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 cleaning tricks with shaving cream that really everyone should know. I hope that these cleaning hacks surprise and delight you as much as they do me. First and foremost, number one, if you have a bathtub and you have a bad back and you don't want to be bending over and getting all those nooks and crannies, grab yourself some shaving cream. Just got this one at the Dollar Tree. You're going to put it on your broom. Any sort of broom will work. And you're going to use this to scrub the inside of your tub, get all up in there, and I'll tell you at the end why shaving cream works so well with all of these cleaning hacks. Scrub everything. I'm doing this one-handed, and then you're gonna rinse it on all out, and it'll be bright, shiny, new, and smell amazing. Number two, you can clean your toilet directly with shaving cream, and here's the bonus. When you are done with cleaning your toilet, put a little extra shaving cream in here. The alcohol from the shaving cream is gonna help kill that bacteria, and then just close this on up, much like you would put Lysol or bleach or any other cleaning product in here. And then the next time you go to clean your toilet, it will smell amazing. It will be ready to go. You will be impressed. Number 3 and 4, if you have toothpaste stuck on your mirror like this or hairspray, put a little shaving cream on a microfiber towel. It will come right on off using the S technique, as you can see right there. Also, to shine up stainless steel, again, put a little shaving cream on a microfiber towel. Good to go. Number 6, you can clean an entire sink with shaving cream just like this, and it is super satisfying. Give it a good rub down. And then you're gonna go ahead and rinse it all out just like you would when you clean your bathtub with the broom and the shaving cream. You can see right here, most of it dissolves on its own anyway, but a good rinse will do just the trick. Number 7, this is gonna be a good one. Look at this vent right here. Look at how dirty that is. I don't think that has been cleaned in ages. This one you can use a microfiber towel, or you could put this on a toothbrush so you can get in all those nooks. Let's just swatch. Let's just watch this get all cleaned up with just a little bit of shaving foam. It is absolutely amazing. You can also take these off and put them in your dishwasher. I've made an entire video on it as well. That is looking like brand new. Yeehaw! Number 8, carpet stains. We're getting to one of my favorites here in just a second. Put that shaving foam on there, rub it into the carpet so it can get deep within the stain. Let it sit for as long as you can, and then you're gonna come back and you're gonna wipe it all up, and then you can go ahead and vacuum as you normally would. A bonus tip here for you, don't mind if I do. Clean up these door handles that are looking dull and bacteria housed. Number 9, this is a really good one. This is my garage door. I always test a small area first whenever you are using this, but this gets filthy with fingerprints and grease. So what you're gonna go ahead and do, look at that right there, coming right off. Easy peasy, looking like brand spanking new. Okay, a little bonus tip here for you before we get to one of my favorite ways to use shaving cream for cleaning. Look at this glass right here on the washing machine. Look at how disgusting that gets in and around here. I love taking just a little bit of shaving cream, again, putting it on your microfiber towel and letting it do its magic. Following the S technique to get all that grime up. And we get the other side right here. Looking so nice. Back up in here. Yes. And last but not least, number 10, one of my favorite ways to clean with shaving cream is on your mattress. Believe it or not, let it do its thing, rub it in there, you're gonna let it sit, and then if you need to, you're gonna come back with a damp cloth and wipe everything up. Not only will it help remove stains, but because in here there is alcohol and soap, it kills the bacteria that's housed within your mattress that causes it to stink and potentially causes you to have a reaction to different allergens within your mattress. So if you love these shaving cream tips as much as I do, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also check out this video right here on screen about how to clean your greasy cabinets.